Hello everybody on YouTube. This is Satya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. Thank you very much for taking your time out and tuning into my video. This video is about installing a new accessories in my R15 V4. So last time we had installed this lever guard, radiator guard and chain cover. So you can check out that video, a link in the description. And yeah, so today we'll be installing Simtac Hazzard Flasher, and along with that we'll be installing 4 LED bulbs inside this. So this Hazzard Flasher is necessary. You can use this flasher at night time while parking your bike, and also you can use it while riding your bike in winter mornings in fog and in heavy rains as well.
2000 years later.
Let me just install few LED bulbs here and this flasher in it. I've already installed the LED flasher inside this, as you can see here. I forgot to record that video. It's very simple. Just you need to open this screw and you can install it. That's it. I have just removed all the wires connection. Yeah, so you need to connect the Simtac wire. You need to match the wire and just you need to connect. So first of all, let me just install this one. So this is done. Now let me just install this one. Then green to green. Then this green to this green. Now this gray to this gray. This. So that's it. Now it's installed. Let me just cover it up. Cover it all the wires. Now it's all done. Installing the seat.
A few moments later.
To activate the flasher, we need to do right, left, center. Now you can see the flasher is activated. And to go to the next button, you need to do left, right, center. And next button is left, right. Let me show you how it looks in the rear side. This is how it looks in the rear side. So there are total 40 buttons in this Hazzard Flasher, and there is also 3 years warranty. The Simtac people are very good. So last time I had installed this flasher, due to some mistakes it got fused. They replaced this flasher and they gave me the new flasher, and now it's working very fine. That was for the today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel. In upcoming videos I'll be installing more accessories and doing more motovlogs. So stay tuned. Thank you guys. Bye bye.